My name is Rolando Carralero, and we are going over the user guide for the Traffic Simulator 2.0. The first thing you have to do is to open two terminals, as you can see here. To open one of the terminals, you can use you can use your ID if you are using an ID for your application, as I did. After that, you need to make sure that you are in the right place. You need to navigate to the code folder in the terminal or command line. Then you will run npm run build in one of the terminals to compile the app. And you will go to the second terminal and run npm start to start the web server. One time is running. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, you can get from here the port number where the application is running, sorry. And then with this port number, you are going to the browser. In the browser, you're gonna start typing localhost followed by the port number you get. In this case, 8080. Now you should be able to see the main page on your screen. Also, you will notice this button is disabled. This button right here is disabled and showing the message initializing, which means that the server is initializing the graph. Once that part is done, a submit button will be enabled. But we're gonna see that in a little bit. In this page, we can also see the two maps. They are both using Google Mapping, so you have common features from Google Maps, like different views. You can switch here to satellite view. You can also zoom the maps on different things. We also have these radio buttons to select which algorithm you want to use to determine the car paths. We can also see the three different input fields here on the right panel. You have an input field for the origin address, also one for the destination address, and one for the delay time. And this test area to print all trips created by the user. Finally, we have the reset button, so we can remove all the information entered and remove all the trips created by the user. Okay, now that the submit button is enabled, we're gonna enter some data to show in the maps how the simulation works. First, we're gonna create a trip by entering the origin address. You're gonna start typing and you have the autocomplete feature. Okay, so then we're gonna enter a destination address, a delay time. Okay, now if we click the add trip button, you're gonna see that we're gonna print that trip here in the test area. I will create another trip just to show. For this one, the delay time will be 10 seconds. Now we can see that we have both trips printed here in this test area. And if we do submit, it will show that it's processing. Usually it takes a little while because the algorithms are too slow. So let's wait until this is ready. It's important to say that the left map will show the routes calculated by the Google Maps algorithm, and the right map will show the routes calculated or determined through obvious routing algorithms. Okay, now the submit button is enabled again, and we can see the Google marker simulating the cars for both maps. And here is the simulation for the second trip. Oh, I also forgot to mention before that the delay time is how much time takes each trip to be displayed on the maps, and is cumulative. For example, in this case, the first trip is showing the map after 1 second, and the second trip is showing the maps after the 11 seconds. Well, and now both simulations for both trips are done, and we can reset. We can click the reset button. You see that we delete all the information from the test area and from the input fields. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.